Good evening, guys. This is Muhammad Akbar with you. I am a senior client investment advisor working for past 15 years in Dubai real estate market. Today, I'm going to start a new series where I'm going to take you to the exact locations of the premium communities of Dubai from different developers, where we would be discussing the type of units available, price per square foot, payment plan, and the best part is the road connectivity. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and stay tuned. Right now we are on Main Sheikh Zayed Road heading towards the Oasis location. So we are very close to DIP, Dubai Investment Park, and if you see the construction right, left, center is happening. Next 5 years this area would be completely developed with the Etihad Railway, the Blue Metro Line station. The best part, we are minutes away from the new Al Maktoum International Airport. So guys, we have taken the exit of Al Yala East Street, and on the left hand side, the road you are looking at, this is where the Etihad Rail will pass by. So we have almost arrived at the location. You can see the boundary wall on the left hand side where the plot location is, and the fencing is done, and that's the exact location for Emaar Oasis. Let's go on the plot and I'll give you more details. So this is the location of Emaar Oasis right behind me. Total of 3,100 villas in the community, 100 million square feet of the total land size of Emaar Oasis, the first ever waterfront communities developed by Emaar. 50% of the community already done and dusted. From the previous phases are up to 30 to 40% premium the sellers are making on the early phases. Right now Emaar is launching another phase consists of around 400 units from 4-bedroom villas, 5-bedroom, 5-bedroom with basement and 6-bedroom villas. We are accepting the EOIs now from 1.5 million dirhams to 2.5 million dirham depending on the unit type. 25% of the total land area is for the open spaces, amenities and everything. Emaar Oasis is surrounded by 4 international standard golf courses. Dubai real estate has a simple rule. If you get inside the developing community or the upcoming launches when the community is on a very starting level, you definitely make heavy premium. On the right hand side, you can just see the community construction is going on full swing. This is your chance. If you are the buyer looking for 14 to 15 million price tag villa with the bigger plot areas and a built up area, then Oasis is something you really need to consider. If you wish to be the part of this community and want to have a discussion over the cup of coffee, please ring me. My WhatsApp number is available on the description in the bio below, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.